Welcome back. This team's like all at border, doing their own thing. This team is so freeload, bro. Like, there's the only good player on it is Winter F. Should I mine this? Go for it. Oh. Back. Gone. Supply drop. Did Ryan die? Oh, Ryan's just offline. Codrake head, OMG. The changes are not a bad spot. He used cobwebs because of his kit. Those could like low-key come in clutch. Like a one good cobweb placement can actually get somebody killed. Borneo, how have you only mined 13 diamonds in these rates? There are 2 people in this game that have mined over a stack of diamonds. Brother. Oh, and he'll just miss that gold. Unlucky. Oh yeah, it's only have an iron sharp. Oh no, he's going for sharp for it. Oh, Theo is a sharp 4 knockback 2. Why does it have knockback 2? Why would you manually put knockback 2 on your diamond sword? So dumb. Cherry Pump faces a sharp 1 diamond. Oh, Theo's just up to 50 diamonds now. Does everybody use their pearls? Oh, Scary Pumpkin Faces goes to cha_inch. Winterpuff is. Oh yeah, Winterpuff's gonna go to Scary Pumpkin Face. That could be a death on the mole team. And they're just gonna all TP to him at once and just gang up on him. That'd be some crazy shit. Crazyshit.com. What's Ashriel doing, bro? They gonna do that or what? Like, use your fucking pearls. Like, stop yakking your gack. are you doing? Do anything! Oh, there they go. Isn't he on surface? Oh, he's not, actually. Oh, he's at, like, Y40, though. Also, Ryan just TP. Oh! Oh! That's, really fucking unlucky for Goop. Holy fuck. Oh. Oh! Oh my, Rye, the healing. So yummy. Oh, Winter F fighting Scary Pumpkin Face. I think Scary Pumpkin Face is... Oh, he TP'd out. That was kind of... People getting us out of these situations is kind of crazy, though. Oh, Jerry just pearled to somebody. Oh, he's going for Winter F now. Okay. Oh. There's a pro linked to Faust. And he has 2 unnamed ones. Spawner with probably nothing in it, because, yeah. 5 bundles generated on 1.19 and just switches versions. Oh, battle. Red definitely just wins this, no? Oh, Greeples, what are we doing? Just actual movement diff. Oh my, that's just awful movement. What are we doing? Just noob. Did Winter just pearled into a block? Oh, he's pearling away. Oh. Did Jerry just... Oh, Greeples is just dead. Jerry with another frag. Fry. Ooh, Rohan's still going for Winter F. This might be the end of this purple team. Oh, Change just TP to somebody. Oh, he's going for Scary Pump. Well, they're on the same bull team, so. No, Jerry is just 22 gaps. Holy moly. Oh yeah, Winter F is no healing. Oh, the game is just... I shouldn't say the game is over, but this red team is my contender to win right now. Oh, he's just dead. This mountain is so big, too. Oh yeah, he's dead. He dead as hell. Oh, he made a valiant effort, is what he did. ID Kid Killer, just 80 diamonds. My god. That purple team is just Ashriel, who's a solo. Why play? Why even play? Is he even near anyone? Oh, he's gonna go die to that red team. Oh. Myfry's going for Scary Pumpkin Face. Oh shit, I missed that completely. My bad, Jit. Kill for A-Vials. Yeah, that purple team is completely out of the game now. Still has a scary pumpkin face, Pearl. If that team goes there, shit's gonna get fucking real. Oh, Borneo just pearled to somebody. Where's he going to? Ooh, Immortal. Ooh. Oh, maybe that wasn't a good idea, buddy. This is an entire team you seem to have teleported yourself into. Don't tell me Jerry's gonna be an org. Oh my. A-Vials just pearled to somebody. Oh, yep. Here, this is where shit gets real. This is gonna be a fucking team fight with both teams having a mole on it. And these are like two very like set to win teams as well. Oh, Ryan's mailing scary pumpkin face. Oh, can't finish him sadly. Rohan's killing Eva. Oh, what are we doing? Oh my, just... Do anything! TP to your teammate or something, like... What are we doing, noob? Oh, Foss just TP'd. You can just heal up. Actually, her armor's fucking dog shit. Yeah, no, she's dead. He's still running from... Oh, yeah. Wow. He's still on the run. This is like a good mold. I think if Borneo dies, the mold team loses. Like, full stop. Because the three good molds on it are Change, Bulbex, and Borneo. No, the fucking... What Bulbex should do is just fucking 2v3 this. Or 2v2 this. No? Like, so dumb. I don't know how to play the game. Oh, Karn's mailing A-Vials as well. What the fuck? Borneo's gonna die. I'll TP to that real quick. Yeah, he's a one hit. Actually, maybe not. I think he's a two hit. Oh, he also is gonna drop. Perhaps. Oh, unlucky. You have a pearl? Oh, yeah, he's dead. You have a boat? Oh, he does have a boat. Arctic player strats. We'll have to see it. Is the boat gonna get shot? Ooh, they missed the shots. Oh, they hit that one, but like they had to hit the first one for that to be doable. Okay, Borneo died. Yeah, I don't know why Bulbex didn't backstab. It was stupid of him. He just loses now. Boosting on. And inform that those guys are boosting. I don't think they are actually. Karn still has this whole squadron after him. Yo, he needs help from like his team. Where is like, what is his team doing, bruh? Oh, you made the MLG check. Oh, not very, ooh. Yeah, he's fucking dead. Who is this right here? Oh, hey, Talon. What's up? Is Flint anywhere near? Oh, Flint. Flint, where are we? Oh, he's going. Oh, Flint has like all of his teams here, bro. He needs to get there. I still think that team loses the 3v3 because Red's just a better team, but oh, they're going for Talon now. Oh wait, no, they're splitting up. Why would they split? They should just go. Oh wait, no, they have 4. Never mind. I don't know why Scary Pumpkin Face just hasn't like done anything to this team yet. Because he really should. Oh, Karn is meleeing. And now getting like 3v1'd. Oh, that was a hit. Oh, yeah, he's fucking dead. Stop! Why are you bowing? Get him off your teammate! Oh. Oh, like, what is his aim? Oh my god, bruh. He's dead. Ooh. Oh, rip. Yeah, this team, I think, is just gonna win. Gary's stacked as fuck. Oh yeah, Talon's dead as well. Wait, Advaz died? How do you die? What are you doing? How did he die? Talon died? Yeah, Flint killed one. That's good. That actually changes things a lot. I would change Pearl to somebody. Oh, the Immortal team. Oh my. You have a Pearl to get out? Oh, he has another Pearl to Immortal. Ouch. Oh, bye-bye.